Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get boarding pass on Air Arabia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in airarabia.com. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get a boarding pass on Air Arabia. So to get a boarding pass you need to check in. So go to Air Arabia online check-in page. So we already have a separate video on how you can check in, but I'm gonna now do it again of course in this video, as this is a separate video. So here, when you go here, you need to go and click on check-in online, put in your reservation number, departure airport, and travel date, find booking, and check in. So that's what you firstly need to do. Starting of course for the 48 hours before departure, enter all of these things that I told you, complete the online check-in, download, save, or print your boarding pass. So it is 48 hours before departure. If you don't receive a boarding pass after check-in online, some airports require an in-person document check or do not allow digital boarding passes. In that case, visit the Air Arabia check-in counter at the airport, where staff will issue you a pinned boarding pass. A printed boarding pass. So that's how you can do it if you get that problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you do, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.